Stop wasting precious turning wood. Watch how to turn a small oak bowl using a glued block and use all the wood. You'll see, preparing the glued block, gluing the oak blank, turning the inner and outer parts of the bowl, oiling and waxing, cutting the finished bowl. The bowl has an unusual shape, but that's for later. Let's get started. The block is turned and aligned in the jaws. It's important to use a hardwood block that won't deform in the jaws of the chuck. Glue this oak branch to the previously prepared block. Join two flat surfaces using a glue. In this case, it's a PVA glue. After the glue dries, you have full access to your wood. Smooth the surface using a bowl gouge. This time we'll be working on an oak bowl with wings. This means that center of the bowl will be turned, while the edges will remain rectangular. The bottom of the bowl will be also turned only at the very center. This work requires extreme precision and attention. The rotating wings can seriously injure your hands. If you don't have the necessary skills, don't attempt this. Turn in the center of the bowl with a spindle gouge. One careless move and you've got a catch. Sand in with sandpaper. Oiling and waxing. After finishing, simply cut the bowl with parting tool or a wood saw. If you enjoy working on small, precise wood turning projects, watch my video about how to turn wild plum finial.